Welcome back, creators! We're TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, two jack car lift brands will be going head to head. We have the Big Red Trolley Jack Car Lift and the Jack Boss Trolley Jack Car Lift. There's a good chance that you've seen the big carrying machines every time you've passed by an auto shop. They're hard to miss. If you're thinking of getting one for your home or your business, then you've come to the right place. In today's Brand Wars, we'll be comparing two of the best ones in the market to help you decide which one deserves to be your next big purchase. The Big Red Trolley Jack Car Lift will be going one-on-one with the Jack Boss Trolley Jack Car Lift. Both these competitors have earned a 4-badge rating from our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com, so we're gonna have to break that tie by pitting them in multiple categories. Which one will bring home the trophy? Well, your guess is as good as ours, so let's settle this once and for all. If you're interested in the other Jack Car Lifts that we reviewed, to check out our Jack Car Lift review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the Brand Wars. The first category that these Jack Car Lifts will be going toe-to-toe with would be their load capacity. Every single car jack type is rated to handle a specific weight range. That being said, the actual measurement is usually listed directly on the jack itself in the form of an easily visible sticker. Do note, however, that you won't be lifting the entire weight of your vehicle on a single jack, so you won't need one that's rated for the entire weight of your automobile. For most sedans and small cars, a 2-ton jack would be sufficient. An SUV or a pickup truck, on the other hand, would require twice the capacity to give the margin of safety you need. Big Red has a 6,000-pound capacity, making it an ideal choice for most cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. On the other hand, Jack Boss is able to lift up to 6,600 pounds, making it a perfect choice for medium to large size vehicles such as travel trailers, minibuses, station wagons, and SUVs. With Jack Boss having a slight advantage in terms of load capacity, they proved to be the obvious winner in this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their safety features. One of the most important things when using a car jack is your safety. We all know that common sense goes a long way, but a jack with safety features will always be the favorable choice. Big Red features a safety bypass system that prevents overloading. This ensures safe operation, which allows you to avoid any type of accident. Jack Boss, however, doesn't exactly have any specific safety features, but they are professionally tested to ensure the safety of each user while allowing you to use them with ease. With Big Red's innovative overloading bypass system, they steal the point in this round. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their material. Good automobile jacks pay up over time. Always remember that finish quality frequently reflects the material quality. If the jack has brushed or polished metal with painted or coated parts, the manufacturer is probably aiming to show off its components. But if the paint is sloppily put on every component with evident overspray, the manufacturer may be hiding some standard material. Big Red is constructed with heavy-duty steel, which ensures long-term durability. Jack Boss, on the other hand, is constructed of aluminum billet, while its welded steel frame ensures high strength and durability. Comparing steel and aluminum billet comes out on top in terms of strength and durability. This is also the reason that Jack Boss has higher weight capacity, as mentioned earlier. That being said, Jack Boss earns a point in this round. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their pistons. Be sure to take note of the number of pistons that a car jack has. Generally, dual piston jacks can get to full height quicker than single piston models. This has actually no impact on operability, but it does affect the speed of lifting. Big Red is equipped with a single piston quick lift pump that enables you to easily raise the jack to the desired height. Jack Boss, however, is equipped with a dual piston that'll enable you to pump the jack to the ideal height relatively quickly and easily. The facts are pretty clear, and with the Jack Boss featuring superior dual pistons, this round ends with them as the victor. The fifth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their maneuverability. Almost all trolley jack car lifts come with wheels for easy maneuverability, so if you'll be moving around a lot in your garage, be sure to get one with a good set of wheels. Big Red has two large steel casters and two 360-degree swivel casters, ensuring smooth and effortless maneuverability. Much like the competition, Jack Boss also features two steel casters and two front swivel casters allowing you to move it around effortlessly. In this category, both car jacks have virtually identical features. Since each can be moved around easily, we'll be ending this round in a tie. The sixth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their lifting ranges. The lifting height depends on what type of car you'll be lifting. If you will more often be working on higher cars such as trucks or SUVs, we suggest getting a car jack with a high lifting range. However, if you usually lift lower cars such as sedans or sports cars, a jack with lower lifting height would be the ideal choice. Big Red has a lifting range with a minimum of 5.87 inches and a maximum of 20.87 inches, which makes it the ideal choice for higher cars. Its competitor, Jack Boss, on the other hand, has a lifting range of 3.94 inches to 18.31 inches, making it great for lower vehicles. Since we have determined that these two jacks cater to different car types, we cannot really compare the two, which results in this round ending in a tie. However, these facts are still good to know if you're deciding on the best unit for your automobile. The seventh and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their saddle. The saddle is the round metal platform of the jack that comes into contact with the car as you pump it upward. Since most jacks damage the car's paint job due to metal-to-metal contact, some jacks feature rubber saddles that function to protect your vehicle's paint job. Big Red features an extra long saddle neck, which makes it great for lifting higher vehicles. However, it doesn't offer any protection, so you may have to place a rag on top of it to avoid metal-to-metal contact just in case. Jack Boss, however, features a large rubber saddle that helps you avoid metal-to-metal contact. This allows you to confidently lift your car without damaging the paint job. When it all boils down to it, a jack with a built-in rubber protector on its saddle will always be the ideal choice. That being said, Jack Boss wins yet another round. Today's Brand Wars has finally reached its conclusion, which means it's time to check the scorecards for a decision. The Jack Boss Trolley Jack Car Lift was able to score a total of 6 points, with its advantages being its innovative protective saddle, dual pistons, and its heavy-duty build. On the other hand, the Big Red Trolley Jack Car Lift was only able to score a total of 3 points, with its sole advantage being its safety feature. With Jack Boss having almost all the advantages you'll be needing in an efficient and reliable car jack, we'll be crowning them as the winner in today's Brand Wars. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Big Red Trolley Jack Car Lift and the Jack Boss Trolley Jack Car Lift has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next Jack Car Lift face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.